Hi guys, it's Ben RC with the Boca Voice, and today on Keys to Boca we talk renovation financing. But before we jump into it, I want to introduce my good friend and mortgage industry leader, Matt Weaver. Matt, thank you so much for your time as always.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, no problem. So
Absolutely.
let's just jump right into it.
Yep.
Right? So one of the things that I love about you and your team is you take what's perceived as a complicated process, like the mortgage or getting a mortgage, and you simplify it. You make it very efficient. So when we talked about renovation financing, I thought our viewers at home were really going to like that product because I think you guys really streamlined what you're doing there. So,
Yep.
So why don't we start with what it is?
So we as a company here at Finance of America, we're making a very big push on the renovation loan, the renovation product.
Okay.
And what that means is there's two different forms of it, and not to get into too much detail, but the form that we're really making a push on is it's a product that actually allows the borrower, the consumer, to borrow money above and beyond the purchase price for improvements, and it can be even cosmetics. So as an example, a new roof, air conditioning, appliances, pavers in the backyard, and so on. So it's a loan that allows the home buyer to put down very little money and borrow money above and beyond the sale price, in turn to have upgrades for the home and cosmetics and so on.
Okay, and really, who is this for? Like, is this, so obviously it's for anybody, but who's, in your experience, taking advantage of, a product like this?
So it's really popular for our first-time home buyers. The first-time home buyer market, as you know, is slated to be right around 50% of our market in 2017 and 2018. There's a lot of great products that allow for as little as 3.5% down in terms of down payment. So this product still allows you with that low down payment of 3.5%. And a lot of first-time home buyers just solely have just a down payment. So when we think about, we are in a market that has, of course, very low inventory. And so if a home buyer doesn't have money above and beyond their down payment, they're limited to a turnkey property. So what this product allows them to do is keep that low down payment, borrow above and beyond, okay, for cosmetics and so on and upgrades, which allows them to widen the property search. So the way we look at that is that they don't necessarily have to look for a turnkey home. They're now open to several different properties that perhaps need work or are a little on the tired side.
Right. So that leads me into, so why is this important? So it's just like you said, just broadening that search in a competitive market. That, so for instance, like a kitchen, would that something that could qualify?
Yep, kitchens would qualify.
Okay.
Appliances, granite countertops. Mostly, almost anything cosmetic really qualifies. Now you can't put in a pool if there's no pool there. So there's some red tape, very little, but for the most part, if you can think about it, you can do it.
Right. Okay. Listen, I think it's a great product. We don't want to dive into too many details. So guys, if you have any questions about the product, please either reach out to Matt, we're going to link him up on this video, or leave comments below, and I'll make sure I'll direct all the questions to Matt. So Matt,
Excellent.
Thank you so much for your time as
Okay.
always.
You got it.
I love the product. So.
Wonderful.
Guys, I hope you found the information useful. Please share this video with your friends. And if you guys, like I said, have any questions, please leave comments below and I'll forward it to Matt. So I always say thank you for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. If you haven't yet, please follow us at the Boca Voice. We talk all things real estate, politics, restaurants, everything else in between here in Boca. I'm Ben RC, and I'll see you next week on Keys to Boca.